I was trying to like make a cute origami heart, and it turned out to be the freaking secrets of the universe or something. Like seriously, like I don't even know. Can anyone in the spiritual community please tell me what you think this looks like?
Something like this now. Now, each of these little tabs that we folded up, what we're going to do is open them out
Club sandwich.
Okay, tell me again.
My line on my forehead and then my jowls.
What jowls?
Like this right here.
What about them?
Focus on them.
Because you think they're saggy?
Yeah. And I guess like my jawline, but I don't really